Packing for a trip should be simple, yet it's one of the biggest sources of travel stress. From overstuffed suitcases to forgotten essentials, a bad packing job can ruin your vacation before it even begins. Imagine getting to your dream destination only to find that your favorite outfit is wrinkled beyond repair. Your toiletries have exploded in your bag, or you've forgotten your passport at home. Sounds like a nightmare, right? To help you avoid these common blunders, we've compiled a list of the 10 worst packing fails, and more importantly, how to prevent them. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, these tips will ensure a smooth journey from start to finish. Number 1. Overpacking, the heavy luggage nightmare. We've all been there. You start packing and suddenly feel the need to bring everything. After all, what if you need 5 different pairs of shoes? What if you might go to a fancy dinner? What if the weather suddenly changes? These thoughts lead to stuffing your suitcase to the max, resulting in a bulky, heavy bag that's difficult to carry and may exceed airline weight limits. The best way to avoid overpacking is to plan your outfits ahead of time and pack versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched. Instead of bringing a different outfit for every day, pack clothes that can be layered or re-worn in different combinations. Stick to neutral colors and lightweight fabrics. If you're going on a longer trip, consider doing laundry instead of bringing extra clothes. Also, remember that most hotels provide toiletries, so you don't need to pack full-size shampoo, conditioner, and soap. Investing in packing cubes can help you stay organized and limit the amount you bring. If you tend to overpack, try the 1-week rule. Pack only enough for 7 days, even if you're traveling longer. You can always wash and reuse clothes. Number 2. Forgetting essentials. The oops, I need that moment. Picture this. You arrive at your hotel, open your suitcase, and suddenly realize you forgot your phone charger, prescription medication, or even worse, your passport. Panic sets in, and instead of relaxing, you spend the next few hours desperately searching for replacements or, in the worst-case scenario, having to cancel your trip altogether. Forgetting essentials is one of the most frustrating travel mistakes because it often leads to unnecessary stress, lost time, and extra expenses. To prevent this, create a packing checklist ahead of time and check off items as you pack. Make sure that important items like passports, visas, travel insurance, and medication are in your carry-on, where they are easily accessible. It's also a good idea to store copies of important documents in your email or cloud storage so that you have backups in case of loss or theft. For things like chargers and adapters, consider buying an extra set that stays in your travel bag permanently. Number 3. Spills and leaks, the shampoo explosion. You open your suitcase and realize your shampoo, lotion, or perfume has exploded all over your clothes. Now, instead of heading out to explore, you're stuck washing everything and trying to get the sticky mess out of your bag. To avoid this packing fail, always store liquids in sealed plastic bags or leak-proof travel containers. Another great trick is to unscrew the cap of your bottle, place plastic wrap over the opening, and then screw the cap back on. This creates an extra barrier that helps prevent spills. Keeping toiletries in a separate waterproof pouch also ensures that if something does leak, it won't ruin your clothes. And if you want to pack even lighter, consider solid toiletries like shampoo bars and lotion bars, which are spill-proof and TSA-friendly. Number 4. Wrinkled clothes, the I look like a mess problem. Wrinkled clothes can be a real problem, especially if you're attending a formal event or business meeting. To prevent this, roll your clothes instead of folding them, as rolling helps prevent creases. If you must pack delicate items, use dry cleaning bags or tissue paper to reduce wrinkles. Some fabrics, like cotton and linen, wrinkle more easily, so opt for wrinkle-resistant fabrics when possible. Packing a small travel steamer or wrinkle release spray can also help you keep clothes looking fresh. If all else fails, hanging wrinkled clothes in the bathroom while taking a hot shower can help steam out the creases. Number 5. Bringing the wrong shoes, blisters, and sore feet. Shoes take up a lot of space in your suitcase, and choosing the wrong pair can ruin your trip. Packing brand new shoes that haven't been broken in or bringing only stylish shoes instead of comfortable ones can lead to blisters, sore feet, and a miserable travel experience. To avoid this, pack only 2 to 3 pairs of shoes, a comfortable walking shoe, a dressier option, and flip-flops or sandals if needed. Always break in new shoes before your trip by wearing them around the house or for short walks. Bringing blister pads or cushioned insoles is also a smart move, just in case. Number 6. Packing too many just-in-case items is one of the most common travel mistakes. You might think you need a dozen outfit choices, 5 extra pairs of socks, or a full-size hairdryer, but in reality, you won't use most of them. Instead of overpacking, ask yourself if you've used the item on past trips. If the answer is no, leave it at home. Number 7. Not checking the weather and dressing all wrong can lead to big regrets. Arriving in a tropical country with only warm clothing or forgetting a rain jacket in a place prone to sudden downpours can put a damper on your plans. Always check the weather forecast for your destination a few days before departure. Even if it looks warm, pack a light jacket or sweater in case of unexpected changes in temperature. Number 8. Not having extra space and no room for souvenirs can be a real hassle. Shopping while traveling is fun, but what happens when your suitcase is already full? Many travelers end up buying an extra bag or paying for overweight luggage just to bring home souvenirs. To avoid this, leave at least 20% of your suitcase empty when packing. A foldable tote bag can also be useful for carrying extra items on your return trip. Number 9. Carry-on disaster. Getting stopped at security lines can be stressful, and nothing slows you down like having your bag searched because you packed restricted items. To avoid this, follow TSA regulations and pack liquids in a clear, quart-sized bag. Keep electronics and important documents easily accessible to speed up the process. Number 10. Lost luggage. Chaos. No backup plan. Lost luggage is every traveler's worst nightmare. If your bag goes missing, having a change of clothes, toiletries, and essentials in your carry-on can be a lifesaver. Investing in a luggage tracker, like an Apple AirTag, can help you locate a lost bag quickly. Also, always label your luggage with your contact information in case it gets misplaced. And that's it for today's video. I hope these packing tips help you avoid these common travel fails and make your next trip smooth and stress-free. Have you ever made any of these packing mistakes? Or do you have your own travel hacks to share? Drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more travel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy travels!